Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something really exciting called Titan's Edge Formula. If you've been struggling with confusing trading courses or chasing hype without results, this may finally be the structured, step-by-step system you've been looking for. So stick with me, because I'll explain exactly what Titan's Edge is, what you'll get, and how the whole process works from start to finish. And before we get into the details, remember, click the link in the description below to grab the latest discounts and bonuses. So, what exactly is Titan's Edge Formula? In simple terms, it's a 5-day live sprint created by Sean Donahoe that's designed to teach you a single, powerful skill: how to spot, validate, and profit from microcap crypto opportunities using a business-like checklist, not guesswork. The goal is simple. In just 30 to 60 minutes a day, you'll be able to run a repeatable routine that can generate consistent results without relying on luck or hype. Now let's break down the 5-day sprint step by step. Day 1 is all about laying the foundation. You'll learn the mindset, the model, and the exact daily routine, so you treat trading like a business, not a gamble. This is where you see how to manage time, focus, and risk in a structured way. Day 2 focuses on sourcing opportunities. Here you'll discover where to actually find high-potential microcap cryptos before the crowd. Sean shows you proven sources, on-chain signals, and ways to spot projects with real catalysts. Day 3 is about turning it into a production line. You'll learn the pipeline from idea to validation, planning, execution, and tracking. You'll also get the trade tracking tool, which helps you log every trade, stay disciplined, and build a track record of what's working. Day 4 takes you into scaling and building consistency. This is where you learn how to put it all together into a weekly routine, control risk, and use the private community, also called the Hive, to share insights and sharpen your edge. Day 5 is a live Ask Me Anything and acceleration session. Sean answers real questions, reviews student picks, and helps fine-tune your personal checklist. It's about taking what you've learned and making sure you can apply it with confidence. Along the way, there are also fun community elements like daily $100 prizes for the best aha moments, plus final prizes including a $1,000 funding giveaway. This keeps the sprint interactive and rewarding for those who take action. Now let's talk about the actual trading process you'll be taught, so you can picture yourself doing it. First, you'll set up securely with a private wallet like MetaMask, fund it safely, and make sure you understand risk management from the start. Then you'll learn how to source potential trades using curated launch feeds, scanners, and community intel. From there, every candidate gets run through a business-like checklist, checking the team, liquidity, token distribution, contract details, and whether it has a strong narrative. If it passes, you then create a clear plan before entering. That means knowing your entry zone, setting position size, deciding where you'll cut losses, and having a profit-taking ladder ready. When conditions match your plan, you enter. No chasing, no FOMO. As trades play out, you manage them by scaling out, locking in profits, and keeping losers small. Every single trade is tracked inside the tool so you learn and improve. Finally, you rinse, review, and repeat. That's how you build consistent edge. What do you actually get when you join? You get 5 live daily sessions, replays, transcripts, and cliff notes, plus access to the private Discord community. You'll also get the trade tracking tool, community support, and those daily and final prizes. And yes, sessions are timed for different time zones, and replays mean you won't miss out if you can't join live. Now, I have to say this on camera. This is training, not financial advice. Crypto is volatile, and while Titan's Edge teaches a proven process with risk controls, results will always vary. You should never risk money you can't afford to lose. So to sum it all up, Titan's Edge Formula is a live, hands-on 5-day sprint that gives you the exact step-by-step process to find, validate, plan, and execute microcap crypto trades with discipline. It's simple, structured, and designed to turn trading into a daily routine you can actually stick with. If you're serious about building a repeatable skill instead of gambling, this could be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. And if you're ready to join, don't wait. Click the link in the description below to grab your spot with the latest bonuses and discounts.